What's up, boys and girls? We've got a nice new AK from Atlantic Firearms. It's the WBP 556 AK in a 100 series. So it looks like an AK-74, but it's not. Take a look. Let's do a quick mag fitment test. Everything about it looks pretty good. Paint's pretty good. It's nice and straight. It is pretty nice. Let's do a little mag fitment test. We've got a Bulgarian commercial mag. Fits in pretty good. Let's run through these here. What do we got here? This is a Bulgarian commercial mag as well. In black. Locks up nice. Bulgarian mag. Looks it pretty nice. This is one of the palm ones. This one doesn't go in as easily. Got a little hang up. Something with the dimensions up here, I think. What else we got here? Circle 10 Bulgarian. It's great. Bakelite Izzy. It's great. Oh yeah. What else we got here? Got Plum Mag, Tula. It's great. Got another commercial mag, Bulgarian. Got a WBP mag. It's very good. I think that's it. That's it, my friends. BP in there. That's how she looks. Gonna take it out and shoot it and see how it goes. We got a little tabletop review here of the new Polish WBP 556 100 series. These are being sold at Atlantic and probably another place, I'm not sure, but this is it. It just came in, brand spanking new. So we're going to take a look at this thing, break it down. So it does come with a side mount here on the side, which is nice. So this is like the 100 series, so it's kind of like AK-74 basically. Get the 90 degree gas block, get 24 threads up front. It does come with the cleaning rod. You get the bayonet lugs here, so that's always nice. You are getting a extra wide mag release paddle, which is pretty nice. It looks like it's easy to catch with your hand. It did come with plum furniture, so this I took off and put on this different California one here. Let's take a look at this side. Got the polished bolt carrier here. The safety lever does have a little shelf here to kind of help you manipulate it, but it is super stiff. It needs to be bent out. What else we got here? I believe these are forged, not cast parts up here, so that's always nice. All right, let's take a look. Everything actually looks pretty straight too. The finish is very nice as well. Let's take it apart here. Also, the action is really smooth. Drop the mag. No hang-ups or anything, so that part's pretty nice. The trigger is not the best. It's got a lot of grit right here. You feel it just dragging on there. That could be polished, and the trigger will be decent after that, actually. Or just shoot it enough, it'll just smooth itself out eventually. So yeah, that's not that bad. Take a look at this bolt carrier. It's kind of a thin stem bolt here. Carrier. It comes with just a roll pin right here. So that's easy to pop out if you want to for a K&S. But we'll see how this thing shoots. It might not need it. I think they properly gas it, unlike the other 5.56s from other countries and stuff. You got your 800-meter sights here, and I think that's pretty much it. Fit and finish looks pretty good. The barrel, let's take a look. Okay, it's all matching too. All the numbers are matching parts. Here it says 1 and 8 twist. This is a nitrate barrel. So, you know, kind of wish it was the FB Random Cold Hammer Forge barrel, but chrome line. But you know, it is what it is. If it shoots good, I mean, that's not bad. Nitrate is not the worst. Oh yeah. We'll see how it goes. Taking it out in a couple days to give it some shots.